How to bold text on X Twitter app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the X Twitter application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now in order to post something, you just have a tap on the plus icon over here at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on that and then tap on post. Now as you tap on post, you will be able to create some text over here on the X Twitter post over here. And as you do that, let's type in over here. So let's type for hello. And right now you can see there's no option of making this text bold. So what we are going to do is we're going to go back to the Chrome browser over here on our device. And then we're going to search for the bold text generator over here. I'm gonna go to any of the app or any of these websites over here. I'm gonna select the very first one, and here all I have to do is just type whatever I'm going to post on the X application. And then here at the bottom you can see the bold text on over here. So just copy this, and then you just have to go to your X application on your device, and then you just have to paste it over here. Now just paste it, and then you just have to tap on post, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.